To transfer Facebook page ownership to another account, first you have to do is open up your Facebook app, and after that you will see a bunch of options. Just go and click on your page, and under your page on the left side, go all the way down and find settings, and after under settings you have this option called page roles. Click on page roles. So now here are a couple of things that you need to know before we go any further. In order for you to change or transfer your Facebook ownership, first you have to make sure that another individual has to have the admin role as well. So if you are only the admin, you cannot transfer your Facebook page ownership. You should need more than one admins to your Facebook page. So for that, what you need to do is go to the thing which says assign a new page role and enter your friends or whoever you want to be the admin and enter their name. And here you have options to set him as an admin, enter as admin. So it will warn you that if you are adding a new admin to your page, please keep in mind that they'll have the same permission as you do to make changes to this page. So yeah, accept that and go and hit that add button. And after that, Facebook will send an invitation to the person, and that person can be added as an admin. So this was because if you don't have an admin, but I do have an admin for my page. So what you have to do is go to the edit, and here under edit, if you want to remain in this page but not as an admin, then go to this option, and here you will find a bunch of options which says editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst. So you can be any one of them, but if you don't want to be involved in this page, then here on the left side you have this remove option. Click on that, and after that it is saying if you remove West Linda from your page, you can choose to transfer ownership of all posts they scheduled to yourself or delete them. Scheduled posts that are transferred will be published as planned. So if you want this to happen, then go and hit that confirm, and it will ask you to re-enter your password for the security purpose. So enter your password, and after that submit it. So now you can see that I no longer have the access to this page. So yeah guys, transferring your Facebook page ownership to another account was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.